How to change the case of text in Microsoft Excel. Unlike Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel doesn't have a Change Case button for changing capitalization. However, you can use the upper, lower, or proper functions to automatically change the case of existing text to uppercase, lowercase, or proper case. In the example, the proper function is used to convert the uppercase names in column A to proper case. In cell B1, type proper A1, then press enter. This formula converts the name in cell A1 from uppercase to proper case. To convert the text to lowercase, type lower A1 instead. Use upper A1 in cases where you need to convert text to uppercase. Now, fill down the formula in the new column. The quickest way to do this is by selecting cell B1, and then double-clicking the small black square that appears in the lower right corner of the cell. At this point, the values in the new column B should be selected. Copy them to the clipboard. Right-click cell A1, click Paste Values. This step enables you to paste just the names, and not the underlying formulas, which you don't need to keep. You can then delete column B, since it is no longer needed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.